In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Keep to Notion automatically. By the end, every new note you add in Google Keep will appear in a Notion database without you lifting a finger. Using either Make or Zapier, whichever automation tool you prefer. First, prepare Notion so it has a clear place to receive your notes. Create a new database in Notion. Ideally as a table. Make sure it includes a title property for the note's name, a text property for the body of your note, and a labels property for your tags. In Notion, the title needs to be the database's primary title field. Text should be a rich text property, and labels works best as a multi-select property, so multiple tags from Keep can carry over neatly. Keep the property names simple and consistent to make mapping easier later. Next, open Make or Zapier and start a new scenario or Zap. For the Trigger app, choose Google Keep and select the event that fires when a new note is created. This tells the automation to start running the moment you add something new in Keep. Now authorize your accounts. Connect your Google account and grant access to Google Keep, so the automation tool can read your notes. Then connect your Notion workspace. During this step, you'll be prompted to allow the integration to access pages. Be sure to grant access to the specific database you just created. Choose permissions that allow creating and editing database items so your notes can be written into Notion. With connections in place, it's time to map your data. Add an action for Notion to create a new database item in the database you set up. Map the Keep note title to the Notion title field. Map the Keep body or content to the text property. Finally, map the Keep labels to the Notion labels property. If your labels in Keep don't exactly match existing options in Notion, set the labels property to accept new options automatically, so the sync doesn't fail. If a note has no labels, leaving that field blank is fine. When your mappings look good, turn the scenario or Zap on. From now on, new notes you create in Google Keep will automatically populate in your Notion database. Expect a short delay as the automation runs, and remember that formatting in Keep may come across as plain text in Notion, which is normal for most integrations. And that's it, your sync is live, simple, and hands-free. Thanks for watching.